This tutorial is about how to use the activity feed in order to communicate with parents. So, as I've mentioned, there are two different ways that you can communicate information or post information. So, we're going to focus on the activity feed in this tutorial. The activity feed will look like this. It has a big plus button, which is a little different than what you'll see in the news feed. So, you'll click the plus button in order to create your post. So this could be a message of some form, or there is also an assignment feature. For now, in this tutorial, I'm only going to focus on the message feature. So you can type any message that you need, and this could be a reminder if tomorrow is a snow day, etc., etc., etc. You can post information which will now be shared to your parent when you hit post. In addition, you'll be able to do a few other things. So if we click this attach button in the bottom left corner of the posting, it will bring up a couple of different areas. First of all is the attach to the existing activity, which is essentially using tools that are built within D2L, like the discussion area, Dropbox where assignments go, etc. So I'm going to click it so that you can see some of the options. I could post to a discussion here. I could link it to an assignment area where I want them to submit something. So for this tutorial, I'll just do that. I'll select maybe this assignment, and that is added. So I can also go and I could add a web link, and that could be anything. That could be a YouTube video. That could be a link to a website. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to post a web link to a Google Doc that I have and go back. Ordinarily, this could be a website, but I'll post it and I'll give it a nice name. I'll call it Google Doc, and I'll click insert, and you'll see that it named it. If I named it anything, it would show up right there. And then I can link to my Google Drive also. So this will go directly into my Google Drive. So for those of you that have used Google Classroom, this provides a single sign-on link that will be very similar once you've done this connecting like I just did. And now I can post anything from my Google Drive, and my students will be able to make a copy of it themselves as soon as they click on it. So I'll just post this Superman worksheet, which will allow them to click on it and make their own copy. In addition to that, we have the Microsoft OneDrive attachment, which we can also attach Microsoft documents to. So I'll click continue to OneDrive. Same syncing can happen. If you are a Microsoft board, again, I can just connect any doc. So I'll select this presentation, and now they have access to that presentation. And I'll click link. And like I said, if I want to attach a video, I can now just post the URL. So I'll just get president, as I like to use, grab the video.
In July of 2000.
Copy the URL, and I'll come back here, and I'll just paste it in. And now I have that, and I can hit post. So I have video, I have Google Doc, Office. If I want a web link, I probably should have used just a website for that posting. I can post anything I want from Google or Microsoft in this section also. So very powerful for linking up our cloud tools within Brightspace.